Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
A Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft from the fleet that was grounded after two deadly crashes made an emergency landing in Florida on Tuesday. The crew declared an emergency after taking off from Orlando International Airport and returned to the airport safely. No passengers were on board as the aircraft was being ferried to Victoriaville, California, where Southwest is storing the airplane because of nationwide commercial flight ban. Southwest said that the plane's pilot reported a performance issue with an engine shortly after taking off from the California airport. The US airline is allowed to shuttle the planes but cannot carry any passengers. News Desk.